I don't know if I like this whole standing up thing. I feel like a commentary channel. I feel like those cancel culture channels like PewDiePie, Batman. Steph, just play the intro. Just play the intro. Okay, what's up, boys? Welcome back. Today we're doing something different. We're standing up. That's it. That's what's different. Nah, today I just wanted to talk to you guys for a little bit about YouTube. Not scripted, talkative video. Fantastic. Probably gonna get millions of views. I can't stand still. I am restless. Anyways, what I wanted to talk about today is YouTube growth. Now, let's start this whole thing off with a little disclaimer so the people in the comments don't go... Yeah, okay? Look, I am not some kind of YouTube guru. I don't have millions of subscribers. But my channel is going somewhere. But yeah, also, I'm done with my quarantine now, which means I'm back to work. So if I seem a little bit sleepy, that's why. I'm just back at work. That's it. I'm sleepy all the time. I just want to sleep. My channel is going somewhere. It's slowly getting up there. I currently have a passive growth. I have everywhere from 500 to 3,000 people watching my videos every day. Those numbers are nothing to some, but 3K people is still a lot of people. And as people are subscribing and commenting, as such a small creator like myself, I'm able to go through your channels, look at your videos, what you guys do. And please stop with the fucking sub for sub family shit. Just stop. It doesn't work. And if you want to keep going with that, stay out of my comments, bro. So I've been going through your channels. I've been watching your videos. And if there's any advice I can give you, there's this one advice. Make searchable content. We have all been there. Tons of people are there. I am still there at times. You have this video you really want to make. So you're playing a game with your friends. You're funny. You're on Discord. Funny moments happen. You make a video out of that. And you upload it to your 0 subscriber channel. Successful channels doing that, they already have millions of followers. And just by their following watching it, that's enough for YouTube to push that into people's recommended. Us, as small creators, we cannot do that. I upload videos that I think are hilarious, that I think are funny, videos that I think should get popular. That's not the case. We don't have the following to do that. So what we need to do, what I need to do, what I've been doing lately is trying to make searchable videos. What does that mean, Steph? That's me imitating you guys in the comments, by the way. I'm sorry. That means you're gonna have to make videos that people are actually looking for. If you make a funny gaming video like we talked about and you just call it funny Apex moments, how many funny moments Apex videos do you think is out there? There's no chance it's gonna get recommended to people as a small channel. I've tried this. I've failed every time. The video flops. Look, I've tried making videos like these. I've made funny PUBG videos. They might not be good, but they're better than 10 views, you know, that kind of thing. They might not be great, but they're better than 10 views. So I've tried making Apex videos and PUBG videos that are supposed to be funny moments. That market is so saturated. Nobody's gonna scroll through 10 lists of other funny moments videos to find yours. So if you want to go for those kind of videos, they either have to be so fucking good that other people are gonna spread it by themselves, or I don't know. What am I talking about? Where am I getting at? Okay, Steph, so how do we make searchable videos then? I'll tell you what I do, and just remember that this isn't the recipe for success, okay? I've gotten lucky a couple of times. I'm gonna keep trying to get lucky. Sounds like I'm trying to get laid. I currently have 3 videos up on my channel, gaining a decent amount of views on a daily basis. It's my $6,000 setup video. I have the Fiverr video and the SMSU's video. And what is different about these 3 videos compared to my other videos is when I look at the analytics, 90 to 95% of the views are from YouTube search, which is good. You want that. As a small creator, that is what you want. My room is not fit for this type of video. There's no room to move. And why am I standing like this? I want to like get to the camera's levels. I'm like, where was I? You want to find topics that aren't covered enough already, that aren't too saturated, like my SMSU's video. So if you haven't seen the SMSU's video, SMSU's is basically a social media boosting platform, and bots on YouTube just go around in comments for small channels spamming this site everywhere. So I looked it up just like 1,000 other people did, and I couldn't find any good information. I couldn't find a good video. So What I did is I made that video. I filled the gap. Searchable content. So as long as those bots keep spamming people's comment sections with that video, my video is going to keep gaining views. I don't know for how long, but as long as that site stays up, my video's going up, which is amazing. I don't mean botting is amazing, but me getting views is amazing. On to the next one, my $6,000 setup video that you can currently see my setup. But that video, I know a lot of people are searching for setups. A lot of people need inspiration. They need examples of setups that I can either get inspired by or just straight up copy. And as long as you have like a large amount of money in the title, people are going to be more interested. It's just how we human are. We like money. So that setup video is also getting daily views, not as much as the other two, but it's like slow, it's searchable. So it doesn't go up for a day and then stop. People keep searching for it. It keeps popping up for people. Now, the Fiverr video that I did where I just paid different artists to make me a YouTube intro, that was a risky one because the Fiverr videos, they're really popular. They're really trendy, but it is hella saturated. There's so many videos out there, but somehow my video came through. Not in the 100,000s, but it's closer than 10,000, which is a lot for me. Before I made these 3 videos, I was lucky if my videos got to 100 views. I still appreciate 100 views, but that's my low standard now. I'm like, oh shit, what did I do? Sorry for this video being a little messy, by the way. This is what happens when I don't have talking points written down or even a script. I prefer that, but then it's really freeing to just stand up and talk. I like this standing up thing. I think I'm gonna keep doing it every now and then. It makes me feel healthy. So that was basically it, but let's summarize this, because if you are as confused as I am right now, we need to do that. I don't know why I'm wearing a headset, by the way. Okay, so my number 1 tip is make searchable content. That means making videos that your subscribers aren't just going to watch once and then never watch it again. You'll get 100, 200, 1,000 views and then it stops. Then that video is dead. You put all of this effort into a video that just goes back into a storage unit and it's left there. Think to yourself, what are you looking for? What are some answers you need? And if you don't find any good information on that, be that information. Make that video yourself. If you're looking for something, 1,000 of other people are probably also looking for that same thing. Also, it can be worth it, even as a small creator, to jump on trends every now and then. You never know what YouTube will push to the public. You never know. You might as well give it a try, right? If you do want to try and jump on trends every now and then as a small creator, try to put a little twist on it. Trust me. So yeah, that was it. If you liked the video, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button and the bell. It really helps me out. I appreciate that. Have a good day. Bye. I keep standing like this. I can't help it. I'm too tall for this kind of video.